At the end of the kitchen you will find the washing machine. This is quite simple to operate. To turn it on, you push the on button. This will cause the lights to come on, and then you can select your desired cycle depending on the number. So for example, if we wished for standard cotton, we'll turn it to number 3, and this is the time it will take to wash. If we wish to change the temperature, for whatever reason, we push the temperature button here, and that will change the temperature accordingly. So here it's set at 40 degrees. To open the machine, you just open the door, put in your clothes, and then we supply washing tablets which you can throw in, and then shut the door firmly so it clicks, and then push the start button to start the cycle. It will then go through and then automatically drain and stop at the end of the time period. To turn off the machine, just push the off button. Thank you.